Hello traders! I'm glad to see you all again on my Alex Signals channel. This time I would like to introduce my profitable strategy based on fractal indicator. So watch this video till the end and you will learn how to earn a big sum from $20. Let's get started now. To get started, I'm going to plug in technical analysis indicator which are iron, fractal and stochastic oscillator. I leave all settings as default. I do not change anything. I will start acceleration with $20. All trades will be 1 minute. The first trade will be down. Look, the blue stochastic line crosses level 80 from top to bottom and continue to this line. This is the first signal that price may go down. Then look, the fractal icon is above the candle, which means that the price will go down from it. And there was also a signal from arrow, its blue line gradually decreasing, which told me that price is also going down. I see the price has come down nicely. There is an end to the trade and I made $14. Yeah, that's good. Before continuing, I will raise the amount to $34 and look for new signals. The new trade is going to be on the upside. Watch, the blue stochastic line is crossing the orange line from bottom to top. This is signal that price may rise. Look at the fractal. It is bottom of the candle, which means price is going up from it. Let's check it out. And look, the price has really gone up. There is completion and there is $23 profit. Not bad. Wouldn't you agree with it? And I seize the moment and open a trade to go up. Have you noticed how easy it is to make money here? If you want the same, look my Telegram link below. I will give you free signals. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or not. I haven't strategies to help, really. Anyway, if you are interested, write me. I'll be waiting you. And now back to the zeal, and I'm going well. It's wrapping up and I made another $39. Really, it's good. Easy money. Raising the amount now to 97 and looking for more. Now I'm going to open down trade and I saw a strong resistance level and decided to test it. Because the price has tested it several times and pulled back down. It is very well seen on the chart and signs that in case such a strong level is bound to influence the price and push it down. Let's take a look. And there is slight decrease, and great! Completing the trade brings me another $67. Not to be terrified, I raise the amount now to 165 and go back to searching. And now I'm going to open the trade on the downside. And look what happened here. The blue stochastic line has crossed the orange line from top to bottom and it's going down. That was the first signal downside for me. And next, the fractal is above the candle, which means that price is declining from it. And there is also a slight decline in the iron blue line, which says it all. I see a big drop in price and yeah, I'm up 115. Do you understand the signals? Write in the comments if you understand them. And now I go raise the amount to 281. I'm going to open another down trade. First, look at stochastic. Its blue line has crossed the orange line and it's going down. This is first downside signal. And now fractal. It's on top of the candle. That's why price is moving down from it. And there is also a slide. This line is the blue iron line. Let's see what happens. It's all dangerous this time, but yeah, completion. The deal brings me 241 after all, really. And now the up trade, and it's not based on the indicator signals. Watch this. Here you see a resistance level that has pushed the price down repeatedly. But after the price was able to break it up, the level turned into support. Yeah. And now it's keeping the price down. That's how it's here, and now its price is coming down to this level again. And I expect it will bounce upwards. Let's see what's happening. Really, I'm really interested now. And I see a slight rise in the candle. And bingo! This time was profit 448. That's very good. Now I'm going to up another trade for a higher price move. Let's see. You can clearly see how the blue stochastic line crosses the orange line from bottom to top. This, as you remember, is a signal for a possible price rise. And then a fractal is below the candle, so I'm expecting the price to rise. And if we look at Aeron, also its blue line is declining. It is still at the 70 level, and red line is at 0. This also indicates that price is rising. Let's see. The price went up a little bit, but it went up. And it also brings me 835. Oh, at the close of trade, really, it's great. Now price amount to 1000 and we keep going. The new trade will be on the downside, but there are not at all signals here. Let's watch. The blue line confidently crossed the level of 80 from top to bottom, which indicates a possible price decline. Now look here. The price made its high and then declined repeatedly. I expect to decline some more, but let's see what's happening. Let's see. As you can see, it actually went down, yeah, and completing the trade gave me 730. I'm going to try again and open a down trade. There are no clear signals from the indicators here, but we can still see the resistance level. The price has already rolled down once when testing it, and I expect a similar move again now. Look, here is there a slight drop, and yeah! 880 profit in my pocket. Wow! This is the end of the hour run up, and I propose to celebrate its outcome, really. In case you forgot, today I was only have $20 in my account of our run up today, and 38 minutes later, as I see, we make 3,416. I think it's pretty awesome. That's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. With you, Alex. Goodbye.